we are very happy in Taiwan. We can catch up with the global trends for digital and also smart manufacturing and smart machinery. Taiwan is the fourth largest exporters of machine tools. So we are happy that we can provide good machine and to provide good service to the world.
Taiwanese manufacturers value EMO very much, not only for the market, but to prove our quality of the machine. Because the requests of European machine users are very strict. So everybody know if we can sell machine in Europe, that means we can sell machine everywhere.
People can get a better life through the revolution in automotive. So you can think maybe in the future the car don't need the drivers. You can get more comfortable space and enjoy the time, and much more space and less maintenance cost. This is definitely, we would like to make a contribution for all the mankind.
Our goal, for one thing, is always we just want to simply make it better for our customer. And that's why we're using not just our own experience, but also working with customers' experience and to provide something, not something they need.
The smart manufacturers, that is a key word, and the future, we want to make machine become much more smarter.
The system can help the customer just input the drawing, so the whole system can monitor the production and monitor the status of the machine and output the report about the machine, the productivity.
We work closely with the customer, and we were collecting and building the data together with the customer. So from those data, we're able to develop our own system, our algorithm to create IoT, building smart machine learning machine, and also a clouding system. All those things is to just increasing the efficiency of the production, better way of management, and also to reduce lower service downtime.
In the machine tools market, Taiwan is the world's sixth largest manufacturer, fourth largest exporter, and has the second highest per capita output. Thank you to our makers for providing us with the tools we need to build and to grow. And together, we will succeed, we will prosper, and we will make great things happen. Thank you.